I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on privacy settings here. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open with you. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here. So until you will find here alone next door to my letters on your behalf. Clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.